Hi guys. All right. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Welcome to Vantage webinars. How you guys doing so far? Shall we just begin our session? So I don't want to keep you guys waiting. All right. So today is also about live stream section or breaking news trade setup. If you have specific instrument you want me to have a look for you, just send in a request. Okay, I will just look for the trade setup for you. Okay, so before I start the webinar, disclaimer first. All right, everything in this video is purely educational in nature. Okay, nothing should be considered or an investment recommendation or kind of trade signal. All right, and if you want to trade, please do your own due diligence before you got trade. And risk warning: trading forex and safety carries significant risk and it's not suitable for all investors. Okay, see, I still cannot click. I don't know why. Oh, it started. Okay. Okay, it started now. Okay, so myself, some of you guys already know me or some may not. My name is Peggy. I'm an investment analyst and a prop trader or proprietary trader. So basically you might have heard about prop firms. So basically what you need to do, you need to pass all the challenge. Okay, basically you pay to buy the account and then you pass the challenge, which is you need to follow the rules. Step 1, step 2, you pass the challenge and then you trade at least 30 days. Okay, you earn the profit and then up to you withdraw, they will refund your fees. In the end, the profit split will be like 80-20 or 75-20, depend on the prop firm. Okay, that's also about like a proprietary trader or the prop firm. Okay, and before we start to look at our chart today, let me bring you guys to look on upcoming news for this week. Okay. I know that there is no news today. Okay. For I think my time zone that will be UTC. You just change the time zone according where you live. All right. And the filter, I only filter like only tick red box. If you want to include the orange box, it's up to you as well. Okay, so basically I just take the race box high impact news. Okay, so that will be right here. Okay, so you can see now August 11th is today, Monday, there's no news coming up, but on August 12th, we have quite high impact news, which is mostly, okay, we have Aussie, okay, at 4:30 a.m. on August 12th, which is tomorrow. Okay, and 12:30 p.m. we have core CPI that will be affecting US dollar. Anything that pair with US, just you need to be careful on the pair. And August 13, we have Aussies coming up as well at 1:30 a.m. early in the morning for the wage price index. Okay. And August 14, another Aussie dollar and GBP at 6 a.m. And 12:30 p.m. we have core PPI. And August 15, which is Friday, okay, only we have US dollar at from 12:30 all the way to 2 p.m. for core retail sales and consumer sentiment. So these are high impact news coming up for this entire week that you need to take note of. What you want to see, like anything which is paired with dollar, either like USD, JPY or XAUSD, that will be affecting for Tuesday until Friday. But even though today there is no news, okay, it seems like gold is have a selling momentum. Okay, if we were to look at the chart, okay, the first of all I will just look for the dollar first, and then after that I will look for the rest of the pair later. The overall on the higher time frame for the monthly time frame, okay, for the dollar, of course we already know that price has broken through the the kind of key support level here at, let's just say 100.7475. from the support right here, it becoming our pullback resistance level. So what I can see here, higher time frame are still back edge sell for the dollar. And the key support level, which is first support, is gonna be here, which is around at 94.45 or 94.5. This is gonna be our first support level for monthly time frame. Okay. What if you look at the D1? Okay. For the D1 time frame, okay, within our pullback resistance. Okay, right here, I need to change the color to red. Never mind. Let me see. Okay, change to the red color right here. We go to D1. Okay, within our either you call like resistance level or supply zone. What you could see here, you will see that there is also have bearish of the block right here, or another like supply zone, okay, over here. So price could just go back up to the zone and then falling, or for the D1 time frame, now price is similar approaching the demand. This is we have a demand zone here. Okay, we would identify this a demand zone, meaning that if price falling to the zone, and then it's gonna ride up to the next supply or resistance level, I would identify this one as my first support. Okay, right here, meaning that either they falling first before the bounce off to the supply, right? Okay, this is D1. So based on H4 time frame, price almost reaching our pullback resistance level in this level at 99.52. So meaning that it seems like it's just slightly, I don't know why the reason like price falling from this level. Either they just tapping in this swing, okay, somewhere on this like swing here and then falling. Okay, on my left there is nothing, or you can see this like resistance, or from this all the way up here, okay, like this zone. Like if I were to find like this resistance break above all the way up there, pull back, now become the resistance level. So we can say that this is gonna be our first resistance level, and this is gonna be our zone. So the next resistance level in H4, I would pick somewhere here for the first resistance or second resistance in H4 time frame. Cup here, and you can see that they slightly have the zones, and this one I need to remove. Okay, gonna look something like that. Okay, so you guys can request if you have any question or any specific instrument you want to have look for you in H4 time frame. This is another resistance level that you guys need to take note of, which is at this level 38.63. Okay, 38.63. This one is just, I don't know why there is a like kind of the wick right here. You can just get all stop out, first stop out. If you sell here, you might get a sell entry right there. Okay, I might adjust the level a little bit. This one I will pick first for the support level in H4. This one is gonna be our second support. So I'm gonna do the daily like D1, oh no, H4 for day trade. Okay, basically we're going to like close the position within a day, If price either go right here or go to oversupport level, you may consider to buy up at this level. Okay. Continue. For the EUISD, based on H4 time frame, today there's no news. It seems like there's no news. You can see that price was just kind of ranging, and I think they might kind of forming either kind of like triangle or something like this, right? So what I could say that the support and resistance in H4 is still gonna be right here at the key level. Okay, this is very nice. Pull back, and this is gonna be the zone. Remember that whenever we see the big zones, our confirmation, okay, meaning that we have a big zone, we want to have very tight stop loss. That's why we need to wait confirmation. Confirmation will be those pin bar. It's always pin bar or a lot of rejection, or that would be kind of divergence, bearish or bullish divergence, or would be what's that divergence would be chart pattern, right? It will be chart pattern, or those kind of what is pin bar, divergence, chart pattern. Do they miss out anything? Any kind of a reversal pattern, basically reversal pattern. Oof. Reversal. Okay, that kind of reversal pattern. You just wait for confirmation. This is our confirmation. Would be in the low time frame M5. No, usually M15, M5, or M30 or H1. Okay, or you see the pin bar in the H1, and then the next candle you can open sell. For example, if the see the pin bar, something like that, at the resistance level. For example, here you see that there's a rejection here, price closing with bearish in gap, right? And in these zones, price has created the order block right here. With the order block, we will see that in this candle, price rising to the box and then falling. They could not pass through those like the wick here. That's why you can see that if you were to sell at this candle here, the rejection, price falling, that's going to take profit at the body. And now it's just, no, they kind of ranging. So basically, if you were to sell here or you buy here, for the like today, you hit take profit, then you just stop. Okay, tomorrow you come again and then look for the key level. Okay, so this is the key level for EURUSD based on the H4. Okay, there's kind of chart pattern here as well. Okay, let me see. I will continue. Moving on to the GBP. GBP USD on a higher time frame. Again, don't forget that we have a high impact news coming from tomorrow onward. Anything that pair with, US dollar, either behind, in front or behind, you need to take note. Okay. For the GBP, okay, based on the monthly, oof, I would say that it seemed like price, see the channel, bullish channel. Okay, come all the way to, okay, this is, I would say this, the key level right here. It may not really like that, it's kind of casting here, but if you were to see very closely, this is the supply zone right here. Okay, we can go to the weekly. Okay, for the weekly, let me remove first. This one used to be our resistance level, break above, pull back, support level, break below, kind of pull back again. So meaning like they not respect this resistance level and closing with bullish engulfing. So we need to go down to the lower time frame to look for the key level. We say first resistance right here. I would say that this is my overlap or pullback support level. Okay, for support, we go to H4 to have a look. Okay, so in H4, this is my, okay, you can sell GBP. You can sell GBP. My first resistance right here. Shall we sell GBP? I saw the divergence at the higher time frame. Okay, and there's no news. There's no news here. So you can sell GBP because there's divergence here. Okay. Now you wait for price to pull back. You sell here. Okay. You sell here in the lower time frame. At least 60 about these zones. I'll give you the zones. You sell from 1.3468 to this level around this one. Okay, so this one is your sell zone. So wait for price to rise and then you sell. Okay. This is our first resistance. So the divergence here. You're gonna hold up to this sell here. Okay. Sell here. If price break above this and then you get stop out, I can give you the next sell zone. It's gonna be somewhere around this level. But what I want to see, what you need to see, you need to wait for price to pull back in this level. Okay, you want to do scalping, I can give you you can take risk, take profit, and your stop loss. We can aim for 1-to-1. Okay, that's gonna be your entry right here. Right here. Right? Okay. So just wait slightly, price pull back a little bit more and then you sell. All right. You see say shape. After this, we will look at gold together. Okay, so on a higher time frame, monthly, price have break below our key support level, and you can see that pull back, break below, pull back here, and then sell. So why price stop right here? Either there is extension 127. I would say that will be the next support level for the monthly time frame. That will be somewhere around here at the body. I will leave it like that, and then we will go to the higher time frame, lower time frame to look for the key level. Weekly resistance level right here. Okay, supply zone right here. D1, mine is so dry. So dry. Okay, so first resistance right here, adjust a little bit, and the first support right here. Okay, let me check the zones. Okay, right here, and go to H4, take a better look, right? So this is first resistance with the box here. So if price rising to these zones again and you don't see the confirmation, okay, around this level, you not sell at these zones, okay, because the next point of interest is at this level, this one. Don't forget our confirmation. So basically, if price rising again, you don't see the confirmation, or it might come back here, or might wait for tomorrow, and then tomorrow go to the other block and then falling, something like that. So this one is might call resistance. You might get stop out for those like liquidity grab or stop hunting at this level. If I rising again, don't see confirmation, don't sell. Wait for the next sell zone, which is right here at the other block. Okay, at the OB. The support level still the same. This level. And the next support level I can find is about these zones. This level. Okay. This level. It seems like they are forming the triangle as well. Okay, it seems like they're forming a triangle as well, right here. So either we wait first, and then if price break above, we will wait here for the OI. Look for the I side. It's already at about 50 or 52. It may rise to at least 70. Okay. 70. Contact. Okay. Never mind. Moving on, USD JPY basically based on H4 price just ranging between first resistance and first support. The key level still the same since last week. Since last week, price still the same. It's right here. You need to wait for price to choose first whether they want to go up or go down. So I don't have like a signal. I only can give you the key level right here. Okay, let's wait for them to decide first, and then we trade. Okay, it was sideways. Oh, I have two UJ here. Okay, let's move on to our lovely goal. It's almost hit my first support. Okay, somewhere around here and price bouncing off. Okay, so it really hard to, okay, I would say here gonna be the first support based on the week and the close. I would say this is this second next support level, and then the next support level gonna be here. Okay, so now price is already rising really strongly. In the M15, they have like small pullback here, meaning that if you want to sell, and this is gonna be your sell entry, if price could not go past above and gonna continue to go downward. Okay, go downward right here. So this is the level that you need to watch out. If price can, close above a breakthrough, this is gonna be your sell entry or first resistance level in M15, which is you go to H4, it's gonna be this one somewhere around here. Used to be our support level, now it become your pullback resistance. Okay, right here. And the next resistance, I would say, at somewhere around this level, you can go to the M15, right? Somewhere around here. So it's about 100 pip above. Okay. Watch out at 3371. Okay. Pushing. Don't see any confirmation. Rising here or here, then falling. Let me go to H1. H1, this can be the H1 support level. Somewhere like this. I go to M15. Okay. In the M15, what I could say, see here, there is just a week. The price go all the way down. And from here, I saw that there's a bullish divergence somewhere around here. Okay. That's why price rising. We will wash out at this level, so it's about another 60 pip from this one into this level. Let's just say 1.3, 130 pip for from this level to this level. Okay. If price falling to this zone, you buy up this level. If they're falling, okay. If not, if they just go all the way rising to this level, okay, you cancel these zones, okay. But if they're falling to these zones again, you may consider to buy. Okay. Like 20 pip. If they're not falling, that's gonna be a take profit. If we see confirmation, we sell. If not, then you wait for the first resistance right there. Okay. Let's see, right? Let's just see here whether they're gonna pull back or not. Okay, moving on, I will look at oil. You guys want to request? No, no one want to request at all. I will go to the H4. 4. I'll go to monthly first. Based on monthly, this would be the resistance level, right? And then price is falling. For the monthly time frames, I would say that this is gonna be our support. Somewhere around here, you can stretch to like on to the left. And this one, your first support. The next support level, I would say this swing low support level right here. This is a money time frame. So we're gonna buy and sell oil, and that you could see that they make a lower low, lower high. Okay, weekly. Weekly time frames, price has or approaching support level D1 here on H4. I want to find the good entry. That would be this level. Okay. Some of people that will say here. Okay, I would say here. Okay, I will pick here. The reasons is kind of there might have an extended die right here. This is the divergence here. And I would say buy oil with the first resistance. If you should take profit right here. And the next resistance, I will pick here. Okay, so probably bouncing off from their support level at 62.56. Okay. Let me check in app. Anyone asking the question? It seems no. There's I think spamming messages, just ignore. Okay. Anyone want to request? None of you guys want to request. Okay, never mind. Okay, let me just continue to look at the I will look at the BTC. Okay, BTC, what's going on? Oh, you see that? This one I was really in the wave. Okay, like you just say that this is a wave one, wave two, wave three, wave four, and this is like wave five. Oh, that would be what's here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If that gonna be the wave 5. Let's just see. I think thing might gonna break above this level. See the divergence here. We go to the it says all-time high, almost hit the all-time highs again. 1, 2, 3. Go to D1. Okay. D1 time frame. Try at the supply zones. Is this okay? You want to sell? We don't know, so we need to see confirmation. Well, I say that I think I'm gonna sell the BTC. So in the M15, you wait for price to pull to these zones. Then you're gonna sell. Either here they already make the equal high, if you want to say that. So price rising to the box and then selling off. Okay, like that. Okay, GBP CHF. Okay, shall we look at GBP CHF? Anyone? Let's pick one. Do you have any position? Do you have position on this pair? Monthly time frame. Okay. Is this gonna be the swing low? So basically you are waiting to buy, is it? Right? You are waiting to buy or you don't have any position, okay. Weekly, this is a support level. Okay. This is a resistance. That would be 61.8% fib. So we want to sell. Yeah. I go to D1. Okay, but the D1 time frame. If price pull back here, lovely, we're gonna buy, but price already break above this high. For support, we adjust the level. This is gonna be your second support level. I would pick this one, first resistance with 50% fib. Okay. The next resistance is right here. That will be 50 to 78. Oh, that far. 60? So we just stick to 50. Okay. Either they pull back here. If they pull back, you buy up. Okay. You're rising to resistance and then you sell at this level. This level. Okay. Right here. That's a key level for D1. You go down to H4. Yeah, of course, in H4 time frame, this still be your support level. The resistance also pick the same. Okay, so this is my view of the GBP CHF. This is the level that you might need to watch out. Okay, this is the view. Okay, any pair beside this one? Let's look at the Nasdaq. Oh, this is our sell zone at the other block here. Okay, I come to the other block here. And sell. We will target here first for the other block. But take profit. Meaning that this is TP. TP1 and this is your TP2. Of course, there's a zones. Okay, right there. second support here. Any pair, guys? No, beside this one, no. Okay. So for the US 100, I still buy at sell. Okay. And we were to look at the H1. It seems like they make the equal high right here. Okay. They might rising again to the other block. And then sell somewhere around here. If they want to like, rising and then falling. Okay. Okay, let me look at the US 30. Okay, price has go to the like the day before last week on 7, rising, falling. Okay, that can see buy, you sell here, you take profit and you buy up. Maybe identify the key level, still the same, I think. It seems like they are at this level, but I think they captured this one for the first resistance. Okay. And the next resistance is gonna be here as overlap for H4. And then over here, we would say here for the first support, but you want to take the recent one that's gonna be here, and then we need to see if there is any Fibonacci that support our key level somewhere close to 50% or 61.8% gonna be somewhere around here and this week, right? So I will put this in my first support, and this is my second support. Okay, something like that. So gonna rise or either the pullback here and then rising. Okay, they cover all they cover UCAT H4 first resistance right here. They can't close above this very nice pullback resistance level, and the support level is right here that overlaps support level. So basically UCAT is ranging. Okay, so there's no signal, but I would highlight the key level like this. Okay, so basically they were ranging right now. This is the zones. This is the zones. Okay, if they want to come down, if they cannot break first support, then we bounce off. So basically just let USD say they decide first whether they want to like go up or go down, because see it was just sideways in H4 time frame. Okay, with the Aussie dollars high impact news coming up this week, which is tomorrow. For resistance, I would like create here, or I would pick here for the recent one, and that's gonna be the zones. Okay, this is my first support here, but actually this nicer, and that's a wick in the body. And then the next support level, this is very hard to find, but I will pick here. Okay, I'm gonna pick here. So this is the price wood rising, and this is a second resistance. Okay. This is the zones. Okay. So Aussie, you also seem like, they are kind of like making a triangle again, right? You can see that make a triangle again right here. So we can just leave it like that. Okay. Let's leave it at that. Just triangle. I will finish off with Kiwi dollar here. Break all support. I will remove. This is the overlap support level, and this one is gonna be our first resistance level right here. Key level, I will pick 60%, or 61.5% fifth. Second support here. Okay, you look at the second support right here. It look like head and shoulder, right? Like, left, head, and right shoulder, and then rising. Okay, but look like that. But it's not really head and shoulder because they could not make a higher high. But that's gonna be like the zones or somewhere around here. Okay. Neck resistance right here. Okay, so you can sell at these zones from 0.5975 to 0.5984. So that's gonna be your sell zones. And this level. Okay, guys, that should be all for today's. Thank you so much for joining the webinars. Tomorrow I will be doing the webinar as well. I think, oh, hang on. If somebody asked me a question. If you ask me, sorry, I did not see. I already closed the app because I want to see the section like for tomorrow. If you ask me for the pair, can you send in again? If not, I will just finish off with this. Not tomorrow, sorry. Wednesday. Okay, Wednesday we're gonna do elevate past 2. Okay, elevate past 2, which is if I want to do analysis by using the elevate here for the Aussie, not Aussie, Kiwi dollar, I would just randomly count wave 1, wave 2. It might go wave 3 or 4 here or 5 right there if the wave above. Okay, because that will be 200% extension at this exact this level. What I would put here, it's gonna be like wave 3, which is upper band for the channel, and then they're gonna be like somewhere around here or here, just wave 3, wave 4, and wave 5. I'm not sure. Okay, we will see on this coming Wednesday again. Okay, all right, guys, that should be all for today. See you again this coming Wednesday for education session. All right, guys, happy trading. Take care. Bye for now, guys, and good luck to all of you. Bye, guys.